Most people obsess on how their sauna looks on day 1. The real test is how easy it feels on day 100 when you're tired and don't want to clean. I'm Anton, I'm a Finnish sauna expert, and after thousands of projects, I can tell you maintenance depends on the design choices, not the heater logo. In this video, I'll show you what a truly low maintenance sauna looks like, not zero cleaning, but a design that makes upkeep simple for normal lazy humans. We'll look at 4 areas that decide your future workload: the floor, the benches, the glass, and how the room dries after use. Every bad decision eventually shows up on the floor. A low maintenance floor is a work surface, not a decoration. You should be able to throw buckets of water on it, and the water should quickly flow to a drain, not just sit in puddles. For indoor saunas, treat the floor like a proper shower floor. Use solid waterproofing, clear slope, and a real drain, and a non-slip tile. Avoid mixing multiple materials in tight corners. Don't bury wood in grout or create flat edges that trap water. For outdoor cabins with wooden floors, test with a hose. Water should drain easily and the air should circulate underneath, just so that wood does not go bad in the years to come. The board should slope slightly toward an exit point or a drain. The space below must be ventilated so moisture doesn't stay trapped. Follow one simple rule. Every edge is either sealed properly or clearly visible and ventilated. Stop wall cladding above the tile so that air can move. Never bury raw wood into grout and hope for the best. Even a perfect floor fails if you can't access it. Bad bench design makes cleaning nearly impossible. High maintenance benches are boxed in and fixed permanently. You can't see or clean behind them without gymnastics. Low maintenance benches act like furniture. They sit on a strong frame but lift out in sections. Top benches, foot benches, and the steps should be removable. You should be able to lift them without any tools. Picture yourself 5 years from now on a lazy Saturday. You should be able to remove a bench, clean, and reinstall it in minutes. If cleaning requires hidden screws or dismantling walls, design is wrong. You've made maintenance too complicated. Material choices also matter. Smooth woods like aspen, alder, or thermally modified wood stay comfortable and stable. Glass shows everything. Steam, fingerprints, dried drops appear after almost every session. If you want less cleaning, limit glass to where it matters most. Use a clear door and maybe one well-placed window. Make sure that every glass surface is easy to reach. Condensation should drip onto tile, not into hidden wood joints. If you choose a full glass wall, plan it carefully. Small details will decide how annoying it becomes. Slope the tile sill back into the room. That way, water returns to the floor you already designed for drainage. Stop cladding slightly above the sill so joints stay visible and dryable. Hidden wood connections invite trouble. Used this way, glass stays a feature, it doesn't become a second job. A sauna that dries quickly is easy to maintain. A humid, stale room creates constant work. In a Finnish sauna, the drying routine is simple. Heater off, vents open, door slightly cracked. You need proper ventilation. One intake near the heater, one exhaust across the room, and one high drying vent. During use, air circulates gently, and after use, the hot, humid air escapes high while air enters low. If you want maximum laziness, add a small quiet fan. Place it under the benches with a timer. Then when you turn the heater off, the fan runs for like maybe 30 or 60 minutes or 2 hours if you want to. Then it just pulls the moist air out while the room is still warm. The sauna dries itself while you shower and relax, and less moisture means less visible cleaning later. Putting it all together. Maintenance should feel light and manageable. Quick habits works better than rare deep cleans. You might hose the floor occasionally, sometimes lift benches and vacuum underneath. Wipe the glass when it starts to bother you, because if each task is short, it actually gets done. If you're planning a sauna now, design for your future lazy self. Choose a drainable floor, removable benches, practical glass, and simple ventilation. Do that now, and 5 years from now, your sauna will still feel like a reward, not just another chore on your list. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.